Hello people, this is TheCodyChen here, doing the Mentos challenge, where I put Mentos and Diet Coke. Here I go. First I have to rip out, damn! First I have to rip out some of these Mentos.
You mean the Mentos you bought?
I know, I bought, not you, Kevin Lin. I'm a former stranger who's filming my camera.
It's me, Kevin Lin.
Which is stupid.
Whatever.
First I put 3 Mentos in. Kevin Lin, here, catch!
You mean 4 Mentos?
Fine, 4, whatever. Hey cameraman, catch!
Ow. Here's the Mentos
Oh my
wrapper.
God. This is kind of freaky.
And here it goes.
Stay back, stupid!
It's gonna explode the moment he puts the Mentos in and shakes it.
Wait,
Well, maybe it fails. And now he's drinking the Coke.
Ugh.
Now it's maybe gonna explode or not gonna explode. So we'll call this a maybe experiment.
There it goes. There it goes.
Holy crap.
Oh my God.
Look at that. Close it. Let's see where the sodium goes. Put more Mentos in. Shake it.
No, let's see what I'm... Wow, dang, that's funny. That's funny.
Now that's cool.
Now let's try this again.
Put Mentos in and close the cap.
Hey, give me my Mentos.
Sorry.
Hey, my Mentos.
Put it in and close the cap this time.
No.
No, really, I saw that explode. Round 2.
TheCodyChen vs Mentos.
Apparently, part 2 isn't working.
Oh, what the fuck?
Look at that. It's not working.
This is funny. Look at the bottom.
Puffy. He's drinking it.
It's actually pretty good.
And here we have a windy day. At summer. What the hell? Seriously.
Seriously, where did my Mentos go?
I don't know.
But still, my cameraman is still stupid. No offense, Steve!
Hi, I'm Steve.
Nah.
Steve. Sorry, I blocked the camera.
Now let's do this. Dang it, your face got them.
He's jumping in.
Oh, here's my Mentos!
The Mentos he's eating. Brought to you by Smosh. Check out.
Ew, you're a hog. That's
There. He spit out the Mentos.
I thought it was supposed to be chewy! But look at it! As hard as a rock. Watch.
You ate one already. Funny stuff.
Stupid Mentos.
Check out his channel. It's full of funny and wacky stuff. And plus Yu-Gi-Oh!
Hey! Where's the... Oh, there it is.
Mentos! It's an earthquake! Brought to you by the cameraman.
Which is stupid.
Here we are.
Mentos.
Shoot at the sky. Okay, stop filming now.
No, not yet.
Watching you eat Mentos is pretty fun. Black. He's filming on his new iPad too. Plus, he has this.
What the heck? You know what? You're a moron, Kevin.
Look at his wacky shirt.
Mentos. Hey!
He apparently shot grass at me.
And wet Mentos. Which have we shooting at the cameraman? Catch Steve! Ew.
Ow.
I have to clean my iPad now. Stupid Steve.
How about clean me?
Yeah. Here, have a few and drop a Coke on your head.
No.
Too slow, Steve is already on your head. Steve, catch.
I want that bottle cap
You're gonna have it.
for my bottle cap collection.
You're supposed to say, "Ah, you stupid."
Quake. No, it's not.
Stupid cameraman. There you go.
Next for the bottle cap.
Okay, bye.
Bye.